Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change email notification preferences on YouTube. At first, log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Now, click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, click on Notifications. Under General section, you can find a section called Your Preferences. Turn off the type of notifications that you don't want to receive. Now scroll down to Email Notification section. Here also, turn off the type of notifications that you don't want to receive. That's it. Changes has been saved. This is how you can change email notification preferences on YouTube. Thank you for watching.